Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your Ford Focus Oil Life Monitor. It's a simple process that ensures your vehicle's maintenance system accurately reflects your recent oil service. Before starting, make sure your engine, oil, and filter have been replaced. This reset procedure is a quick way to clear that dashboard reminder, helping you keep track of your maintenance schedule effectively. To begin, turn your ignition key to the on position, but do not start the engine. If your Focus has a push-button start, simply press it once without pressing the brake pedal. Next, you'll need to fully press down both the accelerator pedal and the brake pedal at the same time. This dual pedal press initiates the reset sequence for the oil life system. Keep both pedals fully pressed for about 20 to 25 seconds. During this time, your dashboard display should show a message indicating that the oil reset is in progress, followed by a confirmation like Service, Oil Reset Complete. Once you see this message, you can release both the accelerator and brake pedals. The system has now registered your oil change. As a final step, turn your ignition off, then restart your Ford Focus to verify that the oil life monitor has been successfully reset and the warning light is off. Always remember to consult your vehicle's owner's manual for any specific instructions unique to your model. It's crucial to understand that this process only resets the reminder, not the oil itself. Regular oil changes are vital for engine health.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.